Juicy and tender, seasoned to perfection. Our chicken burgers are so delicious, you might think it's a beef burger. Last week, I bought several tubes of Maple Lodge's lean ground chicken. The price was very low, and they saved me time. I don't have to chop and process whole chicken pieces, and my family has been craving them and asking for more. I've been seasoning the chicken with an assortment of spices and flavorings. In our family, we have different nutrition goals and food preferences, so I bought a selection of burger buns for these chicken burgers. Dempster's 100% whole wheat buns are my personal favorite. I like a smaller size bun so the ratio of meat to bun favors the meat. And these buns are lower in calories, fat, and carbs. By comparison, the medium-sized crostini buns have 180 calories and the large-sized classics have 200 calories. I'll set these buns aside for later, grab my mixing bowl and utensils, and get busy preparing the chicken burgers. The label says lean ground chicken, but I'm curious, what does the nutrition label reveal about this lean chicken? I'm a little surprised. 14 grams of fat and 100 grams of lean ground chicken. I'm confused. That sounds like a lot of fat. Isn't chicken naturally lean? The Self-Nutrition data site says there are 48.8 calories and 1.6 grams of fat in 41 grams of chicken thigh meat. 100 grams of chicken thigh meat without chicken skin should be 119 calories and have only 3.9 grams of fat. I don't understand. Let's check the Self-Nutrition data site again, but let's check the values for chicken thigh meat with skin. This makes more sense now. 100 grams of chicken with skin included has 15 grams of fat. After cutting through one end of this tube, the ground chicken slides out easily. This ground chicken is moist and smooth like a puree rather than the usual chunkier ground chicken. Time to season the meat. I'm adding 1 tablespoon Lee & PERRINS Worcestershire sauce. Next, my brand Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon Montreal steak spice. One and a half teaspoons of garlic powder is next. 1/2 teaspoon of SAMBAL OELEK. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Before adding the breadcrumbs, I mix everything together to flavor the chicken evenly. Because the ground chicken is more like a thick puree, the seasoning stir in easily with a mixing spoon. Once the flavors are well mixed into the chicken, it's time to add the breadcrumbs to help this ground chicken take shape as a burger. I'm adding 1/4 cup of PANKO Japanese-style breadcrumbs. Perfect. The breadcrumbs help the seasoned ground chicken maintain a rounded shape without sliding off the mixing spoon. This seasoned ground chicken is ready to become burgers. With my electric fry pan set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, I'm adding just a little vegetable oil to coat the fry pan surface, about 1 teaspoon. Using an ice cream scoop, I'm scooping 1/5 of the prepared ground chicken to the fry pan. The rounded back of the ice cream scoop is perfect for smoothing the chicken into a burger shape. 1 pound of this seasoned ground chicken makes 5 chicken burgers. Turn when the burgers are golden brown. This takes about 5 minutes. I cover the burgers with a lid once they're flipped to keep them moist and juicy. Once golden brown on both sides, I lower the heat, keep the lid on, and allow the burgers to cook for about another 5 minutes to make certain they are cooked all the way through to the center. These burgers are 200 calories each, with the lowest calorie bun at 130 calories per bun. Both bun and burger total 330 calories. To show you a serving size, as we typically do, totaling less than 300 calories, some adjustments must be made. We can choose to reduce the carbs by slicing and removing some of the bun, weighing and calculating the calorie difference, or we can slice our chicken burger in half to make our 200 calorie burger 100 calories instead. Because protein keeps us feeling more full and satisfied for longer, we would choose the whole burger and discard some of the bun. Our carb and calorie reduced cut bun becomes 96 calories. Add the burger at 200 calories, and this chicken burger is 296 calories, under 300 calories. I'm adding a few of my favorite burger toppings. Doesn't this chicken burger look incredible? A juicy and moist thick burger with a little less bun topped with tasty vegetable toppings. And this one's for you. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.